Hello, I'm Rosetta Stefano and I'm from the Australian National Construction Major Project Review. I'm here at the Rectangular Stadium, one of Australia's newest landmark developments. We're going to take you on a tour and also introduce you to some of the more interesting consultants, subcontractors and suppliers who worked on this amazing project.
The subcontract was signed in March in 2008 and we commenced fabricating in September 2008. It's a dynamic project, it's unique and it makes us proud, and it's an honour to be a part of such a project. It comprises of a number of shells in this project, and in fact there's 3 other fabricators involved, of which we're one. And we're doing 4 shells, which amounts to about 300 tonne of steel. It's a project which involves a great deal of cooperation between architects, engineers, clients and ourselves. It's taken a lot to get to where we are in this project, because it is a complicated project. It's unique and it is complicated. It's basically a design on a geodetic dome. It's basically a space structure, and the relativity of everything is quite complex in terms of the survey and the checking of the structure. The shells are in fact a number of modules, and they're fabricated separately and delivered separately and put together separately. Within each shell we've got to make sure that all the connecting points are within the tolerance required by the client. There's major technical aspects involved with this project. Initially we had to start by looking at the job and what it entailed, and we were looking at fairly major pipe thicknesses, and we initially had to start by getting our personnel on the shop floor trained up to do these welds, and they had to become qualified to do this type of fabrication. Each person is tracked through the process. We know exactly which welder did at any point in time. In terms of the getting the job started, the client in fact provided the pipe, and that was generally located here in Melbourne, or it was based in Wollongong in New South Wales. We had to engage a specialist pipe cutter who was in fact located in Brisbane, and that meant that we had to coordinate the pickup of material and send that up to Brisbane to have it cut. And there's a lot of transport involved and coordination to get the material from the suppliers up to Queensland, get it cut, and then get it back down to Melbourne ready for fabrication.
Because the frames are quite large, ranging from anything in 3 to 4.5 metres in height, sometimes higher, or also widths ranging from 5 to up to 7.5 metres, we have traffic issues along the transport route that we have to take. This involves using people like Vic Roads for escorts, as well as using specialised equipment for haulage. And above all, having to coordinate with the Monash upgrade works that are going on at the moment. So quite often we'll have a transport leaving time of anywhere from 2 to 4 AM in the morning, and we have to somehow manage to coordinate all those things to come together so that we can get each frame to site.
It's a difficult project from the start. You have Grocon being the primary contractor. They organise all the material and the shop detailing direct, and it's our job through our contract with them to coordinate as necessary. So that's coordinate materials, coordinate the shop detailing, problem solving, feedback, any design issues that we have to go back to them and talk about it, how we can best resolve them.
We've got a specialist paint system that goes on these modules, and as you can appreciate, it's got to last quite a while. In fact, the warranty calls for 25 years warranty, and it can only be brought together by very close coordination between everybody involved in the supply line. We've had our fair share of problems on this project, but we've been able to overcome them through good communication and a good reciprocal trust arrangement with our client. We're extremely lucky that we've got incredible people both in the office and on the shop floor. Again, this is all about cooperation, this job. It's about the different aspects of it coming together to create this incredible project.
We hope you have enjoyed Australia's newest landmark development, the Rectangular Stadium.